Smackings and whackings on Blabber's poor tender head. Now we gotta make repairs before going nowhere again.
Yeah, read your imaginary mutinous coot another dewdrop devotion before I do laundry next.
Oh no, last time you did laundry, me long johns became short johns. Devotion 64. After 20 years of, in their view, being without God, the people were finally ready to have a finger put on their very specific sins that were separating between them and their God. 1 Samuel 7:3. Samuel spake unto all the house of Israel, saying, If you do return unto the Lord with all your hearts, then put away the strange gods and Ashtaroth from among you. Prepare your hearts unto the Lord, and serve him only, and he will deliver you out of the hand of the Philistines. Then the children of Israel did put away Balaam and Ashtaroth, and served the Lord only. Idolatry was ever the Achilles heel of the children of Israel. But as we study their history, very rarely, if ever, did they forsake God entirely. They did something that was actually worse. They lumped him in with other false gods and served all of them. This was the exact same problem they had in the days of Elijah, when he had to ask them, How long halt ye between two opinions? As horrible as it is not to love and serve the one true God, it is even worse to act as if he is simply one among many gods. Do remember that our God is who and what he says he is. He is God alone and must be worshipped as such.
A good lesson. God is who he said he is, and he is God alone.
You got that right, Blabbers. Now don't forget, I'm the captain of the ship, and the captain alone. Bring that large purse of yours filled with coin. Let's get some repair materials.
I guess so. I mean, it is yours, technically, as I may have procured it when you weren't looking. Have a blessed day, friends!